Bonjour! Welcome to Chantal Ain't Got No Time Recipes. And today we're making something magical. Unicorn cupcakes. Hopefully my family will love it. You will need eggs, cupcake mix, water, oil, different food colors, and frosting. You will also need cupcake liners, a piping bag, and unicorn toppers if you want that special touch. Begin by making the cake mix and separating into 6 cups. Next, add a different color to each cup. Now, layer the cake mix into the cupcake liners one at a time. While the cupcakes are baking, we make our frosting. Separate into 6 cups and add your colors, just like before. Combine the frosting into the piping bag. Smells ready! Let your cupcakes cool and spread your rainbow frosting. Just look at these beautiful colors, wow! Don't forget the unicorn toppers for that extra special touch. Beautiful and delicious. Mwah! Magnifique. Bon appétit! Niall, try this.
Wow, they look really pretty. I like the pastel colors too.
So Niall, do you like it?
I like it. I love it. So magical. And messy.
Thanks for watching!
Don't forget to like and subscribe to join our family. And follow us on all our social media links down below.
Au revoir!